Can somebody tell me why am I just spend all heap of money? My birthday's coming up, that's why. Palm package. Look palm package. Look palm package, bro. Bro. What is the reason? I didn't really need to get a whole new wardrobe still, but here we are.
This fence is
Kind of feels Sunday-ish to me though. And it will feel like a Saturday, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of these clothes and then sort them out. Birthday season. Guys, I'm going to Burger King. Oh, I went to Burger King actually before for the breakfast, but now I'm going to get a burger. I was telling him I want a plant-based burger, and if looks could kill. Have you guys tried the plant-based stuff at Burger King? They look good though. Back in my prime, that would have been hitting. Yeah, back in my prime, a veggie burger hate to see me coming. You would eat a veggie burger?
nope.
Yo, he's so...
Right now, I become Arby's brand ambassador.
You never even been there.
I know, but I just support the slogan.
Yeah, he's a hater, but we can't all be great. So it's okay. Oh, there's so many options. Alright, let me focus. Let me figure out which one may I get. April, everybody getting their Easter shopping in. There is traffic just the way to get a parking. Come on. I'll go and Mega Mart. Wait up for you.
In a world where only the bold survive, where strength meets style and warrior.
Good morning! Good morning, Wagwan. What's up? It's my birthday. Crazy. I'm in shock, honestly, because you see this? You see the sun? I have never had a birthday where it didn't rain. It's like never sunny like this. In shock, honestly. I got all these thick clothes on because
Sicky.
I have all these clothes on because I was anticipating it was going to be cold and things like that. So, you know, Oh.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay, you should know the whole version. Thank you.
I even know I thought that myself. That could be.
Let me do that in parents too. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Hip hip hooray.
Let's enjoy it, girl.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Aw.
Hip hip hooray.
Thank you.
Hip hip hooray.
Alright, have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Let me try to talk to you. That's made my day. Oh, thank you. Good man still.
So she don't hate me today. E for effort. Thank you
Okay,
guys.
one day is good. Oh. I have concierge, and concierge of Busy Signal playing. Naturally, you know, Busy Signal song Take Over the World for your birthday. And anyway, the concierge at Busy Signal playing. So as we come on, one more year upon them, you know, yeah, hooray. So, you know, I'm awkward, but you know, I manage it still, I angle it. So yeah, that was very sweet. And then just now, as you just heard, I guess he also went and had security set up at the. You know what they say, if he wanted to, he would. You know, that's just what they say. And I feel like, you know, that's a good example because I wasn't expecting that, but it's such a small thing, but a big thing at the same time. Like, it just makes you feel nice. So yeah, thank you. Thank you. That was cute. That was cute. Yeah, that was cute. Yeah, man. I should have catch on when you say, I gotta record now. That I should have catch on. But whenever did I think about that? No man.
Now I'm thinking I catch up.
The
I'm gonna
sun.
say I'm gonna left 8:24. And I say 8:25. And I say 8:23. I'm say I could left 8:24 now. Thinking I catch on from this. I'm gonna say.
But I think like I really don't want my brain on today. It already has to be on because I'm organizing different things. I have an appointment at 5 o'clock.
What's that one?
Makeup
Oh.
in Halfway Tree. Call 8, right? So I'll try to get as close as possible. I was going to do 6, but I didn't wanna. I don't know how the process is.
We got 8:30. We got 8.
Then I'll play alkaline. The sun is old. Vibes are good still. My skin look kind of alright though. She said, no, my skin look good though. Wait a minute. I'm a car driver, pull up on your foot, like spread the class, see I'm damn yard. Yeah, we all go out. This, yo, them a build this thing up quick. Don't run with Jamaica when they want to. Them can't fix up a hole, but they can fix up a building. Might be the Chinese people still. When the Chinese want to build something, they build it in 2 seconds too. But
I'll be in Jamaica. I'm see I work on it.
really?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
man.
nice. That's nice. That make me feel good. Man, yeah, man. I don't know. Maybe I'm diseased in the head. I just love my country. I really do. I just can't believe the sun is out. My whole mood is shifted. Make sure I don't forget to eat.
Oh,
By 2. By 2.
You're 9% no more. You never ever tell me.
I already feel so like I'm like, you know when you like excitement and you just don't want to eat nothing. Or maybe you don't know. Yeah.
Look, I'm even started eyelash on the side of the hustle because man, y'all they making bank.
Listen, it's hard being a girl. Just to maintain being a girl is $50K a month. Just to maintain your wax, your nails and your pedicure, manicure, hair, makeup. I'm not even doing my hair for my birthday. That me the want to do for real, but I couldn't figure out. I wanted a wig, but I couldn't figure it out, and I'm just so picky about who touches my head. So my new lash tech. You know, you just come in nice and peaceful. Right. All right. So where I get them done. So yes, we're going. I'm on the man by a thread.
No, that's a valid concert. That was as traumatic for me.
She was like, I'm never gonna see her again.
Yeah.
No, mama, like your vibe still. So I'm sorry. I'm come back again.
Okay, yay.
Where's the 15? Yeah. 2 pounds ago. Close. Close. We never did. We never did.
Not on your birthday.
Wait.
Is it burning? Because it's not dry, so that would be okay.
Wait, it should burn?
No. But sometimes, because it's fumes,
Oh.
sometimes more in the inner corners and it's bringing it down. So your inner corners need a break. These are probably gonna fall out first.
No. She's back. Cause when the man noticed that, I'm saying, you know, I'm at the appointment for your lash tip. Yo, I was like, hey, yo.
That refill, that was like, I would.
All right, she'll go on her thing. She quit her job to do this full time, and I'm happy for her. Her business is coming off. Yeah, young girl doing her thing. I think she said she's 25, so yeah, man, she figured it out. She said she can't do the corporate thing forever, and I make pennies, you know. Falling in love with who I am. I don't have time for anything that's gonna harm me. Words have the power to empower or destroy me now. Don't need no one to hold me. As long as you can hold me down. I was just saying, finally it's not raining for my birthday, but every year without fail it pours. Why? No matter where I am in the world, no matter where I am. I got a stool because I'm tired of looking in my bathroom mirror and I can't see nothing. First of all, I'm not even can't see in the bathroom mirror. Watch the style. Boom! Watch the style. I don't know why I woke up today and said I must make some fritters, but so said, so done. And porridge. Kingston, why are traffic so disgusting? What is the reason for this? This is not what Jesus died for. This can't go on every day. And this is what makes me consider getting a home in Portmore. But then again, it's like stench versus traffic. And that's a hard. Well, stench plus traffic. They have traffic too. They have traffic too. I have an appointment for makeup right now, so we'll see how that goes. If she'll accept me, because I don't know if she have somewhere to run off to or what. But she was like, "Are you for sure coming? Are you for sure coming?" Like, Ray. I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "All right, please be on time. Come early if you can." I said, "All right." And the traffic out here is conspiring against me. Imagine.
Power on.
Yeah.
She was doing somebody else.
No. She was waiting on me. I'm the last one. She wanted to go home. That's why I was trying to come early. And I look a mess, but it's soon. But she didn't do it.
Someone don't know when we dance, me a dance up. Me a tell you, me a beg you a fuck. Me a tell you, me a beg you a fuck. Belly flat, belly man. Panic at the night, it's a jam jam. Let me use me black, maybe take a snapshot now. I don't have some jam, let him at stand. Get that music, just me for the passage, I go see that clown. Don't you give me no.
Take it and ride it, fuck it from my tree roots. So we not shake nor move. You don't want me ride it, take it and ride it, fuck it from my tree roots.
My only for money with chance. Everything alright today. People, see that party over there, black party. Payton's class, the 4 class. It's gonna be crazy. 27th of June, my birthday. I come check in, bro. I have a drink, you know. Honestly, there are a couple of kids say. April the 18th. See, you know, the post and it like that. For the seats.
There might be still, but
who know if you dance to Indian song now? Hello, we might show forward. Swing it, hey, swing it. Put a foot over there, so let me see. Swing it, swing it, swing it. Yeah, man, I am give it to you. You don't want to see me create history now. Come on, that's it. You don't want to see me create history. Yeah, swing it. Watch the history. Stop the one